This afternoon is more than an award ceremony. It is a celebration of excellence, a celebration of leadership, a celebration of the limitless potential of the youth of Catanduanes. Today we make history as we honor the first batch of Youth Leadership Excellence awardees in our province.
Leadership is measured by the courage to remain faithful to your principles when no one is watching, to stand for what is right when compromise is easier, and to continue serving even when recognition is absent. The future of our province, of our nation, and of our generation will not be shaped by those who merely adapt to the system, but by those who possess the character to transform it.
The reward does not only come in the form of medals, plaques, or certificates. Yung makita mong masaya at nagiging mas magaan ang lahat para sa kapwa mo, ay makakaramdam ka ng self-fulfillment as a leader. At habang ninanamnam mo ang feelings na yon, mas lalong nabibigyan mo ng kahulugan ang pagiging leader mo.
Realized that leadership was never really about the awards. It was always about the people. The lives we touched, the voices we amplified, the hope we gave, and the courage we inspired in others to keep going. So today, we receive this award not only with pride, but with responsibility. A responsibility to continue becoming a leader who listens, who empathizes, and who serves with authenticity wherever life takes us next.
You deserve this recognition not only because of your achievements, but because you chose to lead and serve despite the challenges around you. But let me remind you gently, awards are beautiful, but humility is more important. Titles are temporary, but character lasts forever. Achievements are meaningful, but kindness will always matter more.